Hi, good day, M6283. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. My name is Margie Derit. I am 30 years old. I have three kids and
Your civil status,
I am a single mother.
your religion,
I am Catholic.
highest educational
I
attainment.
am a high school graduate.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
I have work experience before in Saudi Arabia. I serve five members of the family, the couples and their children. And
Your household chores that you
I
do.
do my household chores like cleaning, washing, ironing.
Okay.
I
Um,
break my contract because my employer send me to the relatives to do household chores.
so you are the one who do the household chores on the other
Yes,
relatives of your employer.
yes,
So you don't have enough rest. That's why
yes,
you decided to break your contract.
yes, sir.
Okay. And you find another employer, but here in the Philippines, right? Tell me about your experience.
I have work experience here in the Philippines for 2 years. Three family members, the couples and their child.
Okay.
And I do the general household chores. Also cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and take good care of the baby.
Which is the 3 years old.
Yes.
So you are the one who taking care of the 2 years old. But I saw in your bio data that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, right?
Yes.
But it is okay to you to take care of a newborn.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have an idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
You know how because you have a children, right?
Yes.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
Maybe I check the temperature, maybe hungry or the diaper is full.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did all of your best, you check the temperature, you feed the baby, you also change the diaper, but the baby doesn't stop to cry, what will you do?
I call my employer, sir.
And what will you say to the employer?
Uh, I tell the baby is crying, that it doesn't stop to cry.
Okay, you will tell them that the baby
Yes.
doesn't stop to cry. Because maybe only the parents know what to do to the baby to make it stop to cry, right? Or maybe there's an emergency to the baby that only parents know what to do, right? Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because of my the family.
Because of your family,
Yes, my children.
for your children
Yes.
also. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
More than 2 years, sir.
So more than 2 years. If your employer wants you to work longer, it is okay with you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir. But it's okay if I'm willing to learn
And how will you learn to cook?
by watching YouTube, and I tell my employer to buy some cooking book
So that you could learn.
yes,
Okay. And also, if your employers prepared some food, you could also help them. How do they prepare so that you could learn, right? Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
yes, it's okay.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share job without a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
It's okay.
If your employer wants you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup, it is okay with you?
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of pets?
It's okay.
Taking care of elderly.
Yes,
It is okay to you to learn their language if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English. How about not to use cell phone without any consent of your employer? It is okay with you not to use?
yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is what will be your message for your future employer?
Hi, sir, madam. If you can if you hire me, I will do my job, and I will be honest, trustworthy and hardworking.
Okay, can you promise also to take good care of your children as your
Yes,
own?
yes, sir.
and follow the rules and regulation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Margie. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.